Section number 2, basic concept of Earth-Sun geometry. Lecture number 3, visible light spectrum. Learning objectives of lecture number 3. Learner should able to recognize the visible light spectrum. Learner should able to know the characteristics of incident solar energy. Learner should able to know the incident photon and its color code. Visible light spectrum. Basically, the visible light spectrum is the segment of electromagnetic spectrum that the human eye can view. In an electromagnetic spectrum, there are number of rays are available having a different frequencies, that is gamma rays, X-rays, UV rays, IR, infrared, microwave, radio waves and long radio waves. This whole spectrum we are getting from the sun on earth. This lies in the range of electromagnetic spectrum. Out of that electromagnetic spectrum, only human eye can see the visible light spectrum, and its wavelength is lying between the 380 to 700 nanometers. Characteristics of incident solar energy. There are several key characteristics of incident solar energy which are critical in determining how the incident sunlight interacts with a photovoltaic converter. First is the spectral content of incident light. Next is the radiant power density from the sun that we are getting over a solar panel. The third is angle at which the incident solar radiation strikes a photovoltaic module. And the last is radiant energy from the sun throughout a year or a day for a particular surface. Photons and its color code. Basically, the visible light which is falling over a solar panel, it contains a photon. Photon is getting absorbed in a semiconductor material, and through that the electron is getting emitted in the conduction band and the energy will going to get flow. Out of that, first is the high energy photon. The high energy photon, its color code is in the blue light color basically. The next is the low energy photon, it indicated by the red light. And the last is the low energy photon for infrared light. It should be invisible basically. It indicated in the black color format. So basically the blue light, it indicates the high energy photon, and red light indicates the low energy photon.